Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing well today. Let's get be ready to begin our math class. Dear student, today our topics trigonometry ratio, class 9 or 10, general math, chapter 9, decimal 1, page 199, work 1, question 2. Here question, if cot 4a minus cot square equal 1, prove that cos 4a plus cos square a equal 1. Question 2, sin 4a plus sin square a equal 1, prove that tan 4a minus tan square equal 1. We are do the math. 2 tips. Nowadays we are do their question solve value with question solve. Okay, question 1, given that cot 4a minus cot square equal 1 or cot 4a equal 1 plus cot square a. We know that cosec square a minus cot square a equal 1 or cosec square a equal 1 plus cot square a. 1 plus cot square a, 1 plus cot square a. So putting the value cosec square a according to the formula, or cot 4a. Question 1, left hand side. Here left hand side cos 4a plus cos square a. Cos 4a minus cos square a. We are again value cot 4a minus cot square a equal 1 or cot 4a equal 1 plus cot square a. Here cosec square a or cos 4a by sin square 4a, sin 4a equal cosec square a. 1 plus cot square, 1 plus cot square equal 1 plus cot square according to the formula. Okay, next line, or cos 4a by sin 4a equal cosec square a formula 1 by sin square a. Cosec square a ratio opposite sin square a, or cos 4a into sin square a by sin 4a equal 1 into sin square a by sin square a. Here both side multiply by sin square a. তাহলে both sides multiply sin square. Sin square and sin 4 remainder sin square a, sin square vanish, or cos 4a by sin square a equal 1, or numerator and denominator both are 1, so cross multiply cos 4a equal sin square a. Okay, here both side, here numerator and denominator 1, both are 1, so cross multiply 1 into cos 4a and 1 into sin square a. তাহলে according to the formula with value cos 4a equal sin square a. Now left hand side, here left hand side cos 4a plus cos square a. Cos 4a equal sin square a. Cos 4 value sin square a plus cos square a. According to the formula, we know that sin square plus cos square equal 1. So left hand side, it is right hand side proved. Okay, at first we are value with formula cos 4a equal sin square a. Here cot 4a minus cot square a equal 1. Simplify solution the value, and we get cos 4a equal sin square a, and cos 4a equal sin square a, putting the value left hand side, and we get 1. So left hand side equal right hand side proved. So everybody okay? Next question. Question 2. Given that sin 4a plus sin square a equal 1 or sin 4a equal 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square means cos square a or sin 4a. Sin 4a equal cos square a because sin square a plus cos square a equal 1. It is formula. So we know that sin square a plus cos square equal 1 or cos square a side change 1 minus sin square a plus minus into divide. Side change means plus minus into divide. Here plus side change, so sign minus. So we get from cos square equal 1 minus sin square a. So cos 1 minus sin square a we get from cos square a. Are you okay? Next, left hand side. The here left hand side question 2 tan 4a minus tan square a equal tan 4 tan square tan 4a means sin 4a by cos 4a minus tan square a. Sin 4 means again value sin 4a plus sin square a equal 1 or sin 4a equal 1 minus sin square a or sin 4a equal 1 minus cos means 1 minus sin square means cos square a. So here sin 4a equal cos square a. Putting the value sin 4a means cos square a by cos 4a minus tan square a. Cos square cos 4 remainder a square, here 1 by cos here 1 by cos square a minus tan square a. Here 1 by cos square means sec square a minus tan square a. We know that formula sec square minus tan square equal 1. It is right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side proved. One by cos square means sec square a minus tan square. Sec square minus tan square formula we know that 1 right hand side. So left hand side shown right equal right hand side proved. No more today. Everybody, thanks for my watching.